Today I'm making spinach salad with gorgonzola and pear. Let's get started. First, I'm going to cut a pear in half, and then I'm going to remove the core. I'm going to take half the pear and cut it thin crosswise. Take those pear slices, add them to a bowl, and toss them with some lemon juice so they don't oxidize. I'm going to take the other half of pear and cut it into large chunks. Add those pear pieces to a food processor along with vinegar, minced shallot, mustard, some packed brown sugar, and a bit of salt and pepper. Process it for 15 seconds until it's nice and smooth. With the processor running, I'm going to add a quarter cup of vegetable oil for about 30 seconds until it's emulsified. That's it. That's our dressing. It's salad time. I'm going to toss the baby spinach with some of the dressing and then season it to taste. To make the salad more exciting, I'm going to top it with some crumbled gorgonzola, some toasted chopped walnuts, pomegranate seeds, and that pear we sliced earlier. For a finishing touch, I'm going to add a little drizzle of the extra dressing. There you go, spinach salad with gorgonzola and pear.
Thanks for watching Cook's Country from America's Test Kitchen. So what'd you think?
Leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or just say hi.
Now you can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Alligator.